So my ride here was crazy. I lost the taxi lottery and got a very confused taxi driver. We drove around forever, but it still only cost 16 mil. So that's really good. And the folks I rented this place from sent a really nice guy out here to wait on me, and he helped me negotiate with the taxi driver too. So that was very good, and I think I'm gonna like it here in Cali. I have heard some crazy rumors, but apparently I did a pretty good job picking a decent location. There is even a big widescreen TV in here. So I'm going to relax. It's been over 12 hours of riding around and craziness today. My first room that I booked with booking.com went to hell. It sounded like a scheme. It was very sketchy, unsafe, and they canceled my room after a discussion. I'm dealing with booking now. These are my digs here in Cali. Really nice. The only thing that comes close to comparing this was my apartment in Mexico City. This one's shaped a little different, but it feels very much the same. I actually have a kitchen, coffee maker, blender, refrigerator, even a freezer. Got a nice kicking bathroom. All in all, say it's really good. There's a little bit of sidewalk work outside that looks a little sketchy, but it's pretty cool. There is a park and nearby restaurants and even discotecas. Wow! This apartment even comes with a manual washing machine. This is awesome. And all for the low cost of $67 for 3 nights. That's right. Basically, it's costing me $22.33 a night.